In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Notifications. Then click on App Notifications available at the top. Select All over here at the top on the left and sort your apps by, for example, most frequent notifications. All you need to do now is click on blue switcher next to any app from which you want to block them. To switch them back on, hit the same, now gray switcher. You can also click on any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!